When finishing the virtual articulator workflow, here we come to digital Facebow. We could scan load the tracker file. Here I load the tracker file. Separate CBCT data first. Choose a little area on the low jaw. Face alignment process. Click expander and tracker in order. Scan or load the maxillary and mandible data in order. Here I choose load them. We could click these four icons to scan and record the jaw motion separately. Here let me show you the case of it. Here is the 4D movement report. More details of this facial 3D scanner, please contact us below.